After the battle on Sebor Island, the ship of Captain Brickbeard, the Wife's Revenge, was heavily damaged and needed repairs. He brings his old ship, the Brickbeard's Bounty, and sails to the Imperial Navy checkpoint that can be used to repair the Wife's Revenge. He infiltrates one of his fellow pirates inside the Navy to distract the Navy officer, while his companion steals treasure and goods from the building. Nor the pirates, nor even the Navy know that there are 3 parts of a treasure map hidden in the area. Could the little Timmy the pirate find them? Hello and welcome to another Pirate Alternate mock. Again, I combined this set Pirates of the Barracuda Bay with the set Eldorado Fortress. This time I decided to keep the inventory of the two sets separate, because it was very annoying to separate the 2 parts inventory after the previous mock. I made many mistakes while sorting the parts, which made me crazy. In this way, the 2 mocks can be built separately or placed side by side to build the complete diorama. The 2 mocks has a lot of play functions as well as interiors. I leave the link to the PDF instructions in the description and in the comments, and see you in the next video.